Hi guys, Miss Abate here. All right, let's get started with our day. So remember, we are still on Unit 1, Week 4. Now we're going to be focused on our grammar section for this week. Okay, so for today, our grammar section is going to be finding the predicate of a sentence. I'm going to say it, and I want you to say it after me. Predicate. Again, predicate. Okay, now I know that sounds like a really big word. Okay, so we're going to learn what a predicate is, and we're going to be doing some work with finding the predicate. Okay, now this goes with finding a subject of the sentence. So if you remember, that was from last week. That was from our last lesson, finding the subject. And just to review, a subject is who, what, person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence or writing is about. Okay, so we now know what a subject is. So I apologize. So now we're going to learn what a predicate is, because a predicate and a subject make a complete sentence. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share a video that I found to teach you guys about what a predicate is. So I hope you learn a lot from this video, because I think it's very fun. It's very informational. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you want your reader understanding what you say, complete sentences will get you on your way. Subjects and predicates must always be combined to convey to your reader all the thoughts you have in mind. Subjects tell just who or what the sentence is about. Mr. Smith the dentist, or the pig with the big snout. Predicates tell just what the subject did. Took a walk, pulled out a tooth, or slobbered on a kid. Timmy ate the muffin, Mabel took a walk. Addie bought a goldfish, her mother was in shock. The teacher read a chapter book, the groundhog ate a bone. The mean lady yelled and screamed, the man hung up the phone. If you want your reader understanding what you say, complete sentences will get you on your way. Subjects and predicates must always be combined to convey to your reader all the thoughts you have in mind.
The subject of a sentence tells who or what the sentence is about. You know that. The predicate of a sentence tells what the subject does. Oh, let me pause it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that is what a predicate is. So this video told us a little bit, it gave us some examples. So let's review those examples, okay? So I want to go to, let's just go back to the first one right here, where the sentence is, the fish swam in the lake. So we know our subject is who or what, the person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. So what is the sentence about? The fish. So that's what the subject is, right? So the predicate, remember, it tells us what the subject does. So the subject is the fish. What is the fish doing? Or what did it do? Swam in the lake. So that's just a big fancy word. Predicate is just a big fancy word for telling us what the subject does. Okay, so the fish is the subject. Swam in the lake is the predicate. And you can see they're separated by two different colors, right? All right, let's review another. I want to go back to these right here. Oops. These ones. I thought they were kind of fun. So we have the sentence, Mr. Smith took a walk. Okay. Who or what is the sentence about? Mr. Smith. So that's the subject. What did Mr. Smith do? He took a walk. That is the predicate. Good job. The dentist pulled out a tooth. So what's the subject of the sentence? The dentist. What is the predicate of the sentence? Pulled out a tooth. That is what the subject does. Last one. The pig with the big snout slobbered on a kid. Okay, what is the subject of the sentence? The pig with the big snout. What is the predicate, or what did the pig with the big snout do? Slobbered on a kid. Very good. I think you guys are ready for our next lesson, or our next activity, I should say. All right. So you guys need something to write with and something to write on. So if you don't have that, make sure you go ahead and pause the video and get that now. All right, so we're finding the predicate of the sentence, okay? So we have the sentence, the girl left her book bag at school. So I want you to think about, what is the subject and what does the subject do? So what's the predicate?